Hi, so in this tutorial video, we'll go through the user journey of an end user in the Indian Oil eCharge application. So first, we'll go ahead and log into the application. Once we are logged in, there will be three markers that indicate the availability of the charging station at the present moment. Green marked as available, orange as busy, and gray as unavailable. In order to charge the vehicle, the user needs to add the vehicle in his user account, for which we need to click on the left hand side three parallel line icon on the top end. Please follow the touches that appear on the screen. Now a side panel has appeared, as you can see. The name of the user is appearing and a view profile option is present just below the username. We'll click on the same. Manage vehicle tab is present just below the username. We'll click on the same. As you can see, two vehicles are already added. We'll go ahead and add a new vehicle in the same. We'll select the correct manufacturer and VIN, that is the vehicle identification number, is optional in case you don't have the same. After adding the correct manufacturer and the model, the supported connector types will appear at the bottom. As you can see, CCS2 and Type 2 AC. Click on Submit. As you can see, the vehicle has now been added here. Now, we can make this vehicle as a preferred vehicle if you have 2 to 3 vehicles added into the account. And just click on these three dots here to mark the vehicle as preferred. And you can see the vehicle is now marked as preferred. The battery capacity of the vehicle will also appear just below the model name. As you can see, the capacity is 30 kilowatt marked here. Moving ahead, there are two different ways to place a booking. The first one and the easiest one is if the user is present at the charging station, he can opt for the scan QR code option to place a booking. The scan QR button is present on the right hand side bottom, just below the refresh button, as you can see. When you click on the same, the camera and the scan QR code option appears on the screen if you have allowed the camera access. So now the second way to place a booking is by filtering the station's name. And the filter option is present on the right hand side top corner. There are two buttons present there. One is the notification button and one is the filter button. We'll go ahead and click on the filter button. Here there are two tabs, as you can see. The other tab, we can use the filter according to our location, and we can select the radius according to our convenience, the connected type which we want. By the rating, we can also select the filter. We can also add the filter by rating also. We can also mark the location as favorite. In the name of the charging station, you can enter the name, any name of the charging station. The suggestions will appear below. Click on any name, click on submit. The charging station will appear on the screen now. As you can see, the charging station is marked as green. That means the charging station is presently available and operative. So in order to get the vehicle charged, the user needs to recharge his account, for which we need to open the side panel again. Go to the wallet option present here, available wallets, wallet, and the top up option is present right here. You can add any amount you want. Click on pay now. There are two payment methods that will take you to the payment gateway, in which all the online payment options are already present. Debit card, credit card, UPI. You can use any UPI apps. You can use the UPI ID, or you can directly use the net banking also. After you have recharge the account balance will appear here. And yes, all the transactions will appear in the wallet itself. The transactions against the booking, the transactions for which you have placed the recharge, the refund, all the transactions will appear right here with the date, the order number, and all the details will be present right there. Now let's go ahead and place a booking. You click on the charging station. Now, user can locate the charging station by seeing the address here. As you can see, JB Tito Mark, New Delhi. The address is present right here, and the navigation button is present in orange color just beside the charging station's name. When we click on the navigation button, it will guide us to the Google Maps, which will show the exact coordinates of the charging station, and user can use the same to visit the location. Now, as you can see, the station is marked as open. Charging price is also visible here, that is 20 rupees per kilowatt, excluding GST, which is mentioned right here. There are fast chargers present at this charging station, which is CCS2 connector type. We'll click on the same. There are two ways to place a booking. The shortest and the easiest way is start charge option. Click on the same. Now, the thing that has to be noted is the minimum time duration that a user needs to place a booking is for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. No booking can be placed below this time duration. So, as you can see, the name of the charging station is present right here. The charger ID is present. The connector number is present. The user must ensure that he or she has connected the vehicle in the exact same connector. The capacity of the charger is present here. Type of the connector is present right here. The vehicle number is appearing right here. The preferred amount is here. Let's say we want to change this to 100 rupees. It will change and booking for 100 rupees will be placed. If you change the amount here, which exceeds the wallet amount that is present right below, if you place any amount that exceeds the wallet amount, you will see the start button change to add money button here, right here. It will guide you to the wallet option directly and you can recharge. So let's say now we want to place a booking for 100 rupees. The units that are going to be consumed approximately are 4.24 kilowatts in this time duration for this booking. Click on start charge. The booking has been done successfully. You just need to check and ensure that you have connected the vehicle in the exact same connector and the gun has been inserted properly. Now, as you can see, charging details page appeared there. For that, we need to go on the left hand side, top end, three parallel lines again, which will open the side panel. You can see the charging details tab present right here. All the new bookings will be shown in this tab. The cancelled bookings will be shown in the cancelled tab, and the completed bookings will be shown right here. In the new bookings, as you can see, new booking is already placed. When we click on initiate charging, a pop-up will appear to ensure that the vehicle is connected into the right connector before initiating the charging session, after which the charging session starts. We can also cancel the charging session from right here. The cancel button is present here. When we click on cancel, it will cancel the charging session. So moving ahead, we'll see how a user can register a grievance or raise any ticket for his or her inconvenience that he faced at the charging station or while charging. Here is a grievance option present right here, and we can create a ticket, select the category, select the subcategory, the charging station's name. We can enter the remarks here, attach a document if you want, and we can select the authorized to call option if you want the customer care executive to reach you through call. Going back, you can directly contact IOCL support by clicking on the contact us option present here. The call option is directly present with the call number here. Email ID is also present. The address is also present right here. So now if a user wants to view any tutorial on how to charge his or her EV, he or she can just click on this how to charge my EV tab present in the side panel, second last tab. And here there are three tutorial videos already present.